welcome back to the platform Prince TV. If today na your first time, be like say you dey meet us, try to follow up for the Facebook side, and then if na YouTube for the watch us, make sure you subscribe to the platform. Anytime you upload any video or information, you go be the first person who go dey notified and know what this video is all about. Like you guys know, on this platform we make use of Pidgin English, which is our Nigerian language, and at the same time we also try to use the normal English. We patch everything together so that everybody can be carried along. In as far we have different countries watching us on this platform, talking about the lives of Senegalese, Gambia, Sierra Leone, and the rest. Then the highest in Nigeria, as I like say, no be the mentors. We go still put the Pidgin English for inside. So now so the matter they be. Alright, now this is to a kind of like pass this information here again, still based on the story of the Green Pass. But guys, listen, there is something very, very important which the Italian government want to use in the name of this Green Pass to a kind of like get some people who are working in Nero. That is illegal job. People who are working without a contract. Now, this Green Pass that is to start on the 15th of October, Italian government is also going to use this means to now fish out those people who are working without contracts. So guys, if you are under this category and then you know you are working without a contract, it is high time for you to demand a contract of work from your boss. Now listen to what is still coming from the Italian government, because this Green Pass, many people are still debating if they have to get vaccinated or not. This is something that they are very, very more serious. They have placed some penalties across this law that will take effect starting from the 15th of October 2021. Now listen to the latest article what they published about illegal work, and then they are stating concerning immigrants, foreigners who are living across Italy. Listen and see what they have stated so far. He said, Green Pass and illegal work, the risk for illegal immigrants from 15 October. Now they are referring to migrants, foreigners who are living across Italy. Now let's go a little bit forward. He said, we have been talking about nothing else for days. From next 15 October, it will be mandatory for all workers, whether they are employed in the private or public sector, to show the Green Pass to access the places where their profession take place. Now, this is a video which I have made to you guys to understand that the Italian government have already made the decree as a law. It will take effect starting from the 15th of October. If you don't have the Green Pass, if you have not been vaccinated to get the Green Pass, meaning that you will not be able to work in your working places again. In order for you to avert not making Green Pass, meaning you are ready to be making your tamponi, which is your COVID-19 test, every day. So this is what you have to understand. Now let's go a little bit forward. He said here, private and public sectors to show the Green Pass to access the place where their profession take place. He said, doubts are increasing, therefore, especially about the method of check and the risk affecting undeclared workers. Now, like we stated, many people are still doubting that this is not going to take place. This is not going to take effect. They themselves are now making it clear that they will not use the opportunity to now fish out people who are working in Nero, people who are working without a contract of work. This is what Italian government are still stating. Now let's go a little bit forward. Listen attentively. This part, he said here, first of all, it is legitimate to ask who will be bothered to verify the actual possession of the green or certification among those who are not even in possession of a regular employment contract. Now, listen to what they stated. He said that particularly affects those categories that have stagnated for years in a sort of physical darkness, such as carers, home helps, and babysitters. Now, these three sectors are sectors whereby they are mostly employed, and then at the end of the day, they will not give them a contract of work. This is what they are now stating. All these people are going to be fished out starting from the 15th of October through the check of this Green Pass. Now listen to what they are still stating based on the same article. Alright, he said here, from what emerges from the latest provision from 15 October, the assessment in this sector of private work will be entirely the responsibility of the families who will be able to show the verification C19 app, the same one that has already been adopted by the activities open to the public. But what are the risks of those who do not want to comply? Now listen to the risk of those families who are the employers of the workers who don't want to apply with this Green Pass. Listen to what they have stated so far. He said, it is good to specify that should a caregiver or any other domestic worker be without the Green Pass, the sanction would be borne by the family, which has the same surveillance duty as any employer. He said the fine in this case ranges from 400 euro to 1,000 euro. So any of the employer who took people or who kind of like employ someone who is not having the Green Pass, starting from that 15th of October, will now face a fine of 400 euro to 1,000 euro. This is what they have stated so far. So that is what you guys have to understand. Now let's read this last paragraph. We try to summarize this video. Now listen to this last paragraph here. He said here, the numbers relating to workers employed in the private sector and potentially without green certification are currently worrying. From what emerges from the IMSS surveys, in fact, there are about 900,000 domestic workers who do not have a regular contract. He said, and for whom control will therefore become problematic. This will not be a problematic situation. So let's end the reading here. Let me explain to you guys. Now, this Green Pass, which is to come effect for all workers in Italy starting from the 15th of October, it will not be an avenue which the Italian government will not use to fish out those people who have been employed without a working contract. This is what they are still making people to not understand. Now, IMSS have confirmed and know that about 900,000 domestic workers, carers, who are working without a regular contract. So, that is to let you know that even the senatorial they did, there are still people who a kind of, like, you know, they did not even write the contract for them in order for them to get the senatorial, their bosses. So, guys, this is a case whereby people have to be attentive so that you not receive a multa of 400 euro to 1,000 euro. So now, if you are working with a boss or you are working with anyone and then you don't have a regular contract, it is a high time for you now to demand for that particular person to not give you a contract, because if you come to see it, it is a benefit to you. Situation whereby you are working, you are not paying tax to the government. At the end of the day, when the work will not get a kind of like expired, you're not working anymore, you don't have the right to go and then ask for what they call disoccupazione, for the government to pay back the little tax which you have contributed. That is why it is important for you as well, who is the worker, to have a contract. So guys, if you know you are working in Nero, try by all means to a kind of pet your boss or let him understand the fact that you're supposed to have a standard contract. Because now, starting from the 15th, they might try to fish out your boss. Because many people are saying, how are they going to control all the companies? They know how to do these things. The Carabinieri, Forza dell'Ordine, many of the agencies which are going to be in place starting from that day. So that is just it. For those people who are saying they're not going to get vaccinated, it depends on you. Now the government have placed the law. You be the one to make your choice. They say they not the tell man, na man they decide. You want go Kenya, okay, you decide. So like that, you are correct. So if you have not subscribed to this platform, this is Prince TV. And then before I go out, I want you guys to please subscribe to one of our great comedians known as Doctor of Comedy. That is Bros Frank. This bro when they see for board. Please do me a favor, subscribe to his platform on YouTube. I'm going to drop the link. If you guys subscribe to this platform, I will really know that you are real fans of Prince TV. I know the number of subscribers as of now. So if you now jump onto the link, subscribe to that platform, it go make you laugh. There are many things on that platform for you guys to still entertain yourself with. Till next time again we be together. Subscribe to Prince TV. You get the updates. Know how things stay they play. Ciao.